Synapse. Moving on to synapse, consecutive neurons are so arranged that the axon endings of one neuron are connected to the dendrites of the next neuron. There is no cytoplasmic connection between the two neurons, and the microscopic gaps are left between them. Each of these contact points is known as synapse. A single neuron may form synapses with many incoming fibers or different fibers. A nerve impulse is passed from one neuron to the other through the synapse, but a single impulse does not necessarily get across a synapse. It may take two or three impulses arriving in rapid succession or perhaps simultaneously from two or more fibers to start an impulse in the next neuron. The action potential cannot jump from one neuron to the next in line. Rather, the message is transmitted across synapse in the form of chemical messenger called the neurotransmitter. This is a diagram which shows communication across a synapse. Let's look at it. When an impulse reaches a synaptic knob, synaptic vessels within fuse with the presynaptic membrane, causing the release of neurotransmitter molecules into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitter molecule bind to the receptor on the postsynaptic membrane, triggering an action potential in the postsynaptic neuron by causing changes in its permeability to certain ions. Neurotransmitters are chemicals which are released at the axon ending of neurons at synapse. Many different types of neurotransmitters are known. There are acetylcholine, adrenaline, norepinephrine, serotonin, and dopamine. Acetylcholine is main transmitter for synapses that lie outside the central nervous system. Others are mostly involved in the synaptic transmission within brain and spinal cord.